All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So notwithstanding. Yeah, despite something. Something could have happened, but you're notwithstanding it and going ahead. Notwithstanding the news, we will do our own thing. We will go there regardless. I read the book. Notwithstanding the choices, we will go there. Notwithstanding the weather, I still have plans to travel. Notwithstanding the current events, we will still go there. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Notwithstanding the cement, the plant still grew. Yes, exactly. Notwithstanding the cement, the plant still grew. I like the idea, notwithstanding the other parts. So in spite of those, we like the other parts. We like it. We will go there, notwithstanding what could happen. Notwithstanding the current events, we still went there. Yeah, we still went there. How cool is that, language explorers? Now, can you use notwithstanding in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.